Are you tired of spending hours at the mechanic just to diagnose a simple check engine light? Have you ever wondered if there's a tool that can not only read codes, but also unlock hidden features, perform advanced ECU coding, and actually help you fix your car like a pro? Today, we're diving deep into the world of professional diagnostic scanners with ECU coding. If you're a DIY enthusiast, a workshop owner, or just want to save hundreds, maybe thousands, on car repairs, this countdown is for you. Stick around, because the top pick might just surprise you. Number 5. ThinkDiag 2. Starting off our list at number 5 is the ThinkDiag 2, a Bluetooth OBD2 scanner that promises a lot for its price. Right out of the box, the ThinkDiag 2 feels solid, with a sturdy case and a replaceable cable, a small but thoughtful touch that could save you money down the line if the cable ever fails. Setup is straightforward, and the device works with both Android and iOS, though as I quickly discovered, not all features are created equal across platforms. The ThinkDiag 2's standout features include full system diagnostics, bidirectional controls, and advanced ECU coding. It supports a wide range of vehicles, and the AutoVIN feature makes identifying your car a breeze. I was able to unlock hidden features and recalibrate modules after repairs, which is impressive for a tool in this price range. The 15+ reset functions like ABS bleeding, DPF regeneration, and key programming add to its versatility, making it a solid choice for both DIYers and more seasoned users. However, there are some significant drawbacks that held it back in my testing. The 4-in-1 data graphing feature, which is great for comparing sensor outputs, simply doesn't work on iOS devices. This means if you're an iPhone user, you won't get the full experience, especially when you need to plot multiple data streams at once. Number 4. KINGBOLEN K7. At number 4, we have the KINGBOLEN K7, a scanner that really tries to punch above its weight. The K7 offers wireless Bluetooth diagnostics with a 33-foot range, bidirectional control, ECU online and offline coding, and a whopping 31+ reset functions. It's compatible with over 100 brands and supports 17 languages, making it a versatile tool for diverse workshops. One thing I appreciated was the intuitive touchscreen interface and the fact that it runs on Android 10, doubling as a tablet for web searches or even invoicing. The K7's AutoVIN feature and multi-module scanning means you can connect to most, if not all, vehicle modules, including engine, ABS, and transmission 718. Special functions like automated brake bleeding and fuel injector balance tests are particularly useful for older vehicles, and the scanner's robust construction feels like it could handle daily shop use 18. However, the K7 isn't without its flaws. While it boasts 3 years of free updates, a big plus compared to the ThinkDiag 2, some advanced functions and coding features are not supported on all vehicles, so you'll need to check compatibility before buying. I also noticed that just because a reset function is listed doesn't mean it works on every car. For example, the electric parking brake reset didn't apply to some of the models I tested. The K7's battery life is solid, likely lasting through a full day in a busy shop, but the device is bulkier than some competitors, making it less portable for on-the-go diagnostics. 3. Launch X431 CRP99E Elite. Cracking the top 3 is the Launch X431 CRP919E Elite, a scanner that delivers professional-grade performance at a surprisingly reasonable price. The CRP919E impressed me with its fast, reliable operation and a user-friendly interface that makes even complex diagnostics feel straightforward. The actuation tests are extensive. I was able to control everything from radiator fans to door locks, and the live data streams are easy to read, with options for both text and graph formats. What sets the CRP919E apart is its advanced ECU coding capabilities. You can match components after replacement, refresh hidden features, and personalize OE settings. The scanner supports both online and offline coding for major brands like VW, Audi, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, and more, and it's compatible with the latest CAN-FD and DOIP protocols for newer vehicles. The 31+ hot reset services cover everything from oil resets to power balance and high-voltage battery diagnostics, making this a true all-in-one solution for workshops and advanced DIYers. I found the hardware to be robust, with a 7-inch touchscreen, a powerful battery, and dual-band Wi-Fi for fast updates. The diagnostic report sharing and remote assistance features are perfect for professional environments, allowing for seamless collaboration and customer communication. If I had to nitpick, some advanced features are limited to select vehicles, and after 2 years, you'll need to pay for software updates to keep getting the latest functions. To TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro. Runner-up on our list is the TOPDON ArtiDiag Pro, a scanner that truly impressed me with its balance of value, performance, and ease of use. Right out of the box, setup took about 10 minutes, and the interface is as intuitive as any modern tablet. The ArtiDiag Pro covers over 100 brands and supports full system diagnostics, including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, TPMS, and more. One of the standout features is the AutoVIN function, which instantly identifies your vehicle and speeds up the diagnostic process. The live data capabilities are robust, allowing you to display up to 4 data streams graphically for easy comparison. I found the one-click health report and fault code clearing to be especially convenient, saving time during routine maintenance. The device also lets you print and share diagnostic reports via email, a huge plus for workshops needing to keep detailed records. The ArtiDiag Pro's 35 reset services and bidirectional controls mean you can perform everything from injector coding to battery registration without breaking a sweat. The 6100 mAh battery lasted me nearly 2 full days of moderate use, and the Android 10 OS with a quad-core CPU kept everything running smoothly. While it doesn't support ECU or TCU updates for all vehicles, and you won't be able to update infotainment systems, it excels at everyday diagnostics and maintenance tasks. With 2 years of free software updates included, the value proposition is hard to beat. Number 1. XTOOL D8S. Taking the top spot is the XTOOL D8S, a scanner that redefines what you can expect from a diagnostic tool in this price range. The D8S is packed with premium features, including intelligent topology mapping, a visual representation of your vehicle's modules that makes pinpointing issues faster and more accurate than ever before. The D8S supports advanced ECU coding for major brands, including BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Ford, VW, Audi, and Toyota, and its new PMI function for Ford, Lincoln, and Mazda lets you transfer ECU data to replacement modules with ease. The bidirectional controls are extensive, allowing you to test and actuate nearly every component in the vehicle, from cooling fans to injectors and ABS pumps. With 38+ reset services and support for the latest CAN-FD and DOI protocols, the D8S is ready for both current and future vehicles. The 8-inch HD touchscreen, upgraded Android 10 OS, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage make for a smooth, lag-free experience, even when running multiple diagnostics at once. The battery life is excellent, and the rugged construction means it can handle the demands of a busy workshop or mobile technician. I was particularly impressed by the 3 years of free updates, ensuring your investment stays relevant as new vehicles and features are added. The D8S also supports optional add-ons for advanced key programming and visual inspections, making it the most versatile tool I've tested. If you're looking for the best all-around diagnostic scanner with advanced ECU coding, bidirectional controls, and future-proof features, the XTOOL D8S is the clear winner. Final thought. So which scanner fits your needs and budget? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews and automotive tech tips.